How to enable or disable turn Wi-Fi on or off automatically on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the quick settings panel. And from here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and tap on connections. Then in here, tap on Wi-Fi. Next, tap on the more button. And from the pop-up menu, tap on intelligent Wi-Fi. Now in here, we scroll down and tap on turn Wi-Fi on or off automatically. And tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now tap on the left hand side panel. In here, you can choose the network that you use frequently or not. So here's a turn on Wi-Fi automatically when you are in places you use it frequently and turn it off elsewhere. And here you can choose the network that you use frequently by turning it on or switching it off. And that's it. So that is how you can go in and turn on or off. And when you are connecting to other networks, it will add it to the list. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.